Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today you'll learn use the AGM H6 high screen recording. So let's see, scroll down from the top and again and scroll to the right. Here you can see the screen record button. As soon as you press it, you can configure to record audio, and if you want to record microphone as well. You can also enable showing touches if you want to, and then press start to start recording. Here at the top you can see the countdown, and here you can see this icon here and this message here that shows that you're recording. Let's just do something for the video, and to stop recording, scroll down and press stop here. Here it says screen recording saved. Let's tap to view. As you can see, your screen recording is saved in gallery. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.